Here at MarineMax, you're not just buying a boat from us and we're letting you go down the road. We're here to take care of you and your boat for the life of your boat. Any problems you have, you give us a call, we'll take care of it. Any service you need, you give us a call, we'll take care of it.
We have 60 plus locations across the United States. So, I don't have a particular boat here at this location. I can pick up the telephone and have one on its way tomorrow, which is it's a huge plus for us and our customers that we serve. Another big thing is that the service department that we have here, it's not just a boat purchase, it's the continued well-being that we take care of our customers after the sale.
We offer pretty much anything to do with the boat. My guys are factory-backed certification by Mercruiser, PCM, Ilmar, and Yamaha.
In the MarineMax service department, we offer full service from engine jobs to gear lube, oil changes, general service, prevention, things like that.
As MarineMax is the largest dealer in America, we have the buying power and ability to get just about any part for your boat.
And our service department treats everyone like family. We try to keep them out on the water as much as we can.
We take you from showing you the boat all the way to demoing the boat on the water and taking you through how to operate the boat.
They're a lot more than just a customer. They become kind of a friendship and a family as well. I love it.
Met some great friends in this business, and 98% of them have all been customers. I've got some now that are some of my best friends.
So I've built some great relationships. I've actually got best friends out of selling boats. That's probably my favorite part of that job, is the relationships I've built and the friendships I've gotten out of selling boats to people.
That's one of the big selling points for our dealership, is the customer relations that we build with our customers in the purchasing process. With the numerous emails and phone calls and everything it takes to finance boats, you really get involved with the customer's life a little bit more than, say, you would at a car dealership or something like that. And I think that really is a benefit for us to really have that personal touch with the customer.
I like working at MarineMax because, first off, the work environment here is great. This group of guys here is like my second family. I look forward to coming to work in the morning, and that's pretty strong to say that about your job.
We all have each other's backs. We'll all do what we need to do to get things done, and the most important thing is we all can count on each other.
I love MarineMax because it gives you that corporate feel to it, but also gives you a real laid-back feel as well, kind of like a mom and pop store. And I think that a lot of times it bleeds over to our customers and makes them feel real comfortable.
The MarineMax difference offers the best purchasing experience in the industry. We are staffed with dedicated employees with the highest integrity and a passion for the water and helping others experience the water and the lifestyle.